This is the BMW key case, and this is how it looks. There is no price or any information written on this one, but this cost somewhere around 4,000 bucks. And yeah, this is how it looks on the key. So it's a nice leather cover, and it feels premium and pretty good to hold. You can see the BMW inscription, and yeah, it looks nice. And this is for the secondary key, and this is the secondary key of the car, and the primary key is the display key, and I've not got a cover for that yet, so because the leather key covers which BMW sells for the display key is really costly, so I'm actually in search of an alternative for that. This is BMW Natural Air. Is the car air freshener. So this pack comes with a holder, one stick, which is the actual cartridge that's supposed to go into the holder, and the flavor of the cartridge is sparkling raindrops. And this one costs around 2,282 bucks, and like I said, it already comes with a cartridge, and you have the instructions on how to install it already there. So, and once your cartridge is done, then you have the option to buy the refill pack, and this pack comes with 3 cartridges. So this is how a cartridge looks, and the cost of this one is 978 bucks. This is a holder, and this is how small it is, and it has got hooks just like the earbuds, and we have the option to toggle between the inlet and outlet of the air. So depending on that, it will let the air in and out. You just have to push it to the air vents of the AC, and it just sits there, and it just blends in with the AC vents, not creating much distractions. This is the M Sport mats. You get 2 for the front seats and 2 for the back seats. They are soft and feels really great beneath your feet. This mat comes with a hefty price tag attached to it. It costs a whopping $32,000. But you always have the options to opt out from buying it. When you purchase an M Sport variant of the car, then they by default add this accessories with the car price. But you can always go back to them and tell them that I don't need this. This is the BMW Advanced Car Eye System. It comes with 2 cameras in the back, one to be installed at the front and another one at the back, and they also give you a memory card, which is like 32 gigs of memory, which is actually small, and you always have the freedom to extend it if you want. And they also give you a memory card reader along with it, which really comes in handy when you want to take out the memory card and check out the videos in it. So you can put the memory card right here, and you can plug this to your system, and you can always verify what got recorded and what has not. Coming back to the features of the camera, it has got a radar sensor and also a G sensor. So it uses the radar tracking to see what the activities that happens around the car, and it records at that time. And it also measures the shock and activates the recording based on that. So it really comes in handy during the park mode, So you, if at all somebody messes up with your car in your parking, then it gets all the recordings properly. BMW has done pretty neat installation of this one. The wiring is concealed, and the camera is pretty much blends in with the rest of the accessories inside the car. And there is an app for this one. The app is called BMW Ace. You have that in the Play Store and the App Store for both iOS and Android mobile operating systems. So you will have to install that, and it will give you all the configuration options in it. You can go ahead and you can enable, disable what are configurations you want. This is the car cover which I bought online from TPH Covers for my 6GT. The cover is made of 4-layered fabric, which is dust resistant, water resistant, and also has got a velvet finish to it. Let's take a look at the stitching. So they're done really great job with the stitching. It looks strong, and you can also see the night vision piping which they have done, which illuminates during the night. They're given strong elastics in the front and also the back part of the cover, and that holds to the car very tightly. The inside layer of the cover is made with a very soft material, almost like a velvet, and it's really soft, and you don't have to worry whether it'll harm your car's paint. Let's take a look at the packaging. So this is the outer cover with the TPH Covers logo, and this one came inside it with the model name in it, and it is inside this bag. The cover was present, and it was also very neatly packed. So this is how the cover looks on the car. It's a perfect skin fit, and you have lots of customization options provided by TPH Covers. And this cover being the top of the range, model name Romanite, and this costs around 30K. I did the paint protection film installation from Obsessive Compulsive Detailing in RDR. And one thing which everybody should keep in mind when you are planning to do the PPF installation is that right now we have lots of players in the market who are using duplicate products, and they will also be ready to give you very huge discounts. So those are attractive, but you need to keep in mind that after a few years, then there is high possibility that it might give you headaches. Always get it done from a place where they are into this business for some time now, and they have the right set of people and the skill set to get the job done. And do not worry about discounts that much, but in the end you'll be satisfied that the PPF that you've installed is authentic, and it is done by the right set of people in the right manner. The cost of installing a 10-year warranty product on a 6GT comes to somewhere around 2.2 lakhs approximately, and I'm pretty much satisfied with the way it is installed, and the after installation service has also been great. They have done a couple of corrections after the installation to make sure that it sits properly on the car. Unlike the vendors who offer heavy discounts, OCD has well-trained people who are experts in detailing, and they also use the authentic products sold by the PPF companies. Another exterior change which I wanted to bring in desperately was to make the chrome grille black. So I checked with BMW for a black grille accessory, but they said it's not available in India, so I had to repaint it in black, and I did that from OCD, and I think it looks way better now with the black grille. So I'm overall happy with the way OCD has done the job in the car. I will share the Instagram link for OCD in the description below, so you can always go to the page and check out the work they have done.